What's up, everyone? It is Trina Jacobson, the owner and creator behind Diamonds and Dust, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful winter scene water bottle. These are all products from my designer box, and if you would like to grab this month's box, which is a totally different theme, I have a few more up on my Etsy site. These 3 glitters and these 2 vinyls came in my November box. All of these items are available for purchase on my Etsy. We are only going to be using the tree vinyl for this tumbler. So I'm going to take a razor blade and I'm just going to kind of loosely cut around the trees that I want to go on my water bottle. Now we're going to remove the top section of the vinyl. I'm going to take this vinyl and kind of place it on my water bottle where I kind of think I want my trees to go. I'm going to mark that off with just a dry erase marker, and I'm going to paint that top section. Most of the colors we are working with today are pretty opaque and in the same kind of color family. So I just picked a purple that would kind of cover the base of all 3 colors. Once your paint is dry, we're going to add glitter glue to that top section. When working with glitter glue and doing like we are doing a 3-color ombre that takes a little bit more time than just a 1-color glitter, we are going to add a fairly thick and even coat. Starting off with the glitter color haze, we are going to add a solid kind of stripe around the base of our glue, and we are going to ombre that slightly up to the top of the water bottle. Then we are going to go to the top of the water bottle, grab the glitter color shadow, and we are going to ombre that down towards the glitter that the glitter color called haze. Once you kind of have those ombre, but not really together, just kind of meshing into each other, you're going to have a little bit of a gap in between, and we're going to fill in that gap with the glitter color bokeh. Let that glitter glue dry and add a layer or 2 of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. Then we're going to go back to our tree vinyl and we're going to apply it to our tumbler. Had all this excess vinyl towards the bottom. I was just going to tuck it and continue the pattern, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to cut this off with a razor blade, and then I'm going to use my cup edging tool and take a little bit more off that bottom rim. Grab some painter's tape, and we're going to tape off just above where we removed that vinyl. Then we're going to apply some glitter glue and the glitter color shadow to the bottom. Add another layer of epoxy to your tumbler and pick your decal of choice. This one says Cozy Season. I wanted it kind of soft and not overtake the dreariness of this tumbler. This SVG is one from my mentorship group where you get new SVGs every single month. If you would like more information on that, there is a link for you down in the description. I cut this out in kind of a lavender and a navy, and I know it was going to be a little bit blendy with the top, but like I said, I was really worried about taking away from the dreariness that I loved so much of the tumbler that I kind of wanted it not to stand out. Add your final layers of epoxy and your beautiful winter scene tumbler is all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and check the description for all the products used.